Alright guys, today we're going to work on replacing these mechanical struts to a gas strut. Mainly because it's pretty heavy to lift, and we're going to see if we can make some improvement on that. We might have to change the latching system, but we'll see how it goes. So first we're going to start by removing these, and they're 1/2 inch, so we'll pop those off, and then that way we can get on a bench and we can drill out the rivets that hold everything together. Alright, so we're going to try to remove these bolts using a 1/2 inch socket and my impact gun, mainly because I'm too lazy to hold it down. Alright, since we got it out, we're going to drill out the other side next. Twist down there and need to lock some vice grips on it again. Just like that. Come on. Sides out. So you can choose to save these or trash these. We're also going to keep them just in case this doesn't work out. Pretty neat design though. Alright, with the strut removed, we're going to go ahead and reinsert our bracket. Install this here. And you'll need to pick up some nuts to match your strut that you bought. You're going to want to get nylon blocking ones, so that way, because you don't want to tighten them down all the way, you still want to have some. Actually, you can tighten them down all the way because they have a ball end on the end, but nylon locking is the way to go. Never going to take these off again. Should be it. Definitely got some good oomph to it. And we'll go ahead and install the other side. Let's go ahead and bust out the other side here. You'll need the same tools. You'll also need a battery under the drill. Duh. We're not going to bother with the bottom one. We'll remove those bolts. We'll start with the top. Getting the top out will be the difficult part of this. So yeah, there are vice grip to hold this. Once that's out, we're going to pull the bolts out of this guy here. Gives you a wrench. Out. Go ahead and the other one. Just like that. Quick and easy. Don't lose your washers. So you'll need to put those back on. Right. Now I'm going to go ahead and remove the other one as well. Clamp onto the back side of the rivet. If we can. This bracket's a little bent, which is going to prove. Not sure if it's meant to be bent or it's just bent like that for a reason, but this might present a challenge. Maybe if we try clamping it. That might give us just enough advantage to drill it out. And don't do that, because it will spin on you. Use a vise. You got it. Ow. Yeah, that'll hurt. For sure. Alright, we'll go ahead and mount our bracket now that it's been removed. Had a couple of washers underneath. It's on a slab. Go ahead and pop that in there, that in there. Get our rocky nuts. Tighten it down. Alright, let's go ahead and close it up. Wow, it's strong. Add the extra weight of everything. Good support. Now, if you have a heavy mattress like we do that we installed on our particular model, you don't need the 90-pound struts that we ordered. Definitely recommend going smaller. Even unloaded, closing this is almost a little bit difficult, so we're going to have to really look at how everything goes together and make any more modifications, make sure we get a nice snug fit.